cleaning it like.
Hey everybody, Michael here, and in this box is the, for first time ever in my lifetime anyway, is my first ever Apple Watch. Now, I'm sorry about the camera quality. I had to borrow my iPad camera. I didn't want to use my iPad camera for this video, but I need my phone to connect the watch because I plan to do in this video, I plan to unbox it and set it up, give my initial reactions. So yeah, I have been debating for a while to buy an Apple Watch, and I really didn't want to buy it, but it had a lot of things that I'm looking for in terms of, you know, getting stuff done and also saving my phone as well, like, you know, getting off my phone as much. So I gave in and bought the Apple Watch. Now, I bought the Series 3 42mm GPS version. I bought it in brand new condition from an eBay seller who is accredited. He sold it for $250. And I think that's the selling point of the Apple Watch Series 3. It was the price. Because the Series 4, I definitely like it a lot, but I don't think it was worth me going out and dropping $500 for a smartwatch. Now, I've had smartwatches in the past, but I've always wanted an Apple Watch, so I guess goodwill kind of prevailed. And for $250, I think I did good for a brand new Apple Watch. So let's pull this aside and let's open it up. Packaging is as standard as they come. I'll leave a link in the description if anybody is considering buying an Apple Watch. I will leave a link down to the seller that I bought from because I think he is a reliable seller. He has high ratings, and I believe he is very reliable to buy from. So I'll leave a link in the description. Just ripping off the last bit of tape. There we go. Just getting the watch out is already a project on its own. Probably should have just got a knife. Almost there we go. And pull this last layer of bubble wrap off. And here it is. Now the product does come in an open box. This is what it looks like sideways. I'm going to try to keep it this way. So this is what the product looks like. There are a little few scuffs here and there. But the seller has said that it is in pristine condition. Even though it's an open box item, it does not have any like wear and tear. It is 100% brand new. So let's take a look. So on the top, we see Apple Watch Series 3, nicely detailed. It just says Apple Watch. In the back, we get the breakdown of the serial and everything. Nothing on the sides. Pretty weird packaging for an Apple Watch. But when we pull it up, designed by Apple, they kept the paperwork, and there it is. And the seller was definitely right because the tabs are still intact. They were not removed or replaced. I see them from here, and it looks really nice. Now, in the packaging, you get the replacement strap. If you have a small or medium arm, you can swap it out. You also get your paperwork. This is new. And you also get your warranty information. Now, there is no Apple stickers, unfortunately, but I'm not picky about that. I'm not going to complain. So, I'll just put that to the side. I'll put this back. The watch itself has a pull tab, and look at that. That is nice. Apple Watch Series 3. Nice. So, also included in the box with the pull tab is the brick, which also is brand new, and the cable, which is also, again, so the seller has kept his word. Everything is brand new, fully conditional. There's nothing different in the box. So I think it's safe to say he is definitely a good buyer, and he is definitely a good seller anyway. So I will leave a link in the description to pick up the Apple Watch Series 3 if you're interested. If not, you can go definitely pick up an Apple Watch Series 4. Just trying to put this back in the box. I always like keeping things together. Now, if it had been an Apple unboxing, it probably would have been better, but this is just for a different seller. And you know what? Sometimes you're better off buying from parties like at eBay or, well, hardly Amazon because they just made a deal with Apple. So everything's back in the box. Let's take a look at the watch. Now, I don't know if the watch has any power, so we're going to have to test that out. The portion of the video, I don't know how it's going to look when I render it, so I apologize if it's weird. But here it is, and it actually looks pretty good. So let's turn on the light here. Ah, damn it. Technical difficulties, as usual. I always have a special light set up, so if I want to show it off, or just use it on my desk, really. But we are having some technical difficulties, so stand by. There we go. Try the light one more time. There we go. So here is the Apple Watch Series 3. Now, it comes in a brand new condition. And it really looks really nice. I like this a lot. I got the aluminum 42mm Nothing has been removed or anything, so I'm going to pause the video for just 1 second. I have to go check something out real fast, but when I come back, we'll take it off and back. And I have my iPhone here, so we're going to set the Apple Watch up. So first thing you do is remove the tabs. So first thing you do, pull the sides. That's it. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Then you pull this pop, and there is the Apple Watch. Now, it is in perfect condition, brand new, never been used. This was the last year's edition, which everyone kind of likes. I think this is not a bad design. The new one is definitely much better, but this for now will do, since it's just going to go on my wrist. So let's turn it on. Let's see if it has any power. And it has power. So we're going to set it up. For this one, I'm going to grab a seat. I'm going to put it on my wrist, and we will set it up. So putting it on should be as easy as 1, 2, 3. When I put it on my wrist, I'm not good with watches. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. I'm good with like old time watches. Oh, so you run the band through there. Okay. The instructions was on how to do it. Screw it. You know what? I'll figure that out later. So the Apple Watch is starting up. Let's wait for it to see what it says. Now, in order to pair the Apple Watch with your iPhone, this will also be a how-to, I guess. So the way you do this, that's actually not a scuff mark. Is that a scuff mark? Let me check. Nope, that is just a piece of dust. Sorry about that. I thought that the seller had already lied already. And I was going to say, man, that sucks. And there it is. Boom. It does say low battery. So we could grab a portable, but let's do this fast. So the Apple Watch, you can use your iPhone to set it up, which is what we're going to do. There is an app on here that you click, but when you're starting it up, put the Apple Watch here. So let's do this first. Hold up to the camera, put your Apple Watch. Oh, put on your Apple Watch. God damn it. All right, well, stop the video. Guys, sorry about this. It's taking a little longer than expected, but no delays. I have my backup charger. So the reason we can't pair the watch is because the watch's battery is a little low. So what we're going to do is open up the charger case, pull this bad boy out, and again, like the seller said, it's in perfect condition. So far he's kept his word on the pricing and also kept his word on the condition of the watch. So I like what I'm seeing so far, I have to admit. I'm out of breath already, guys. This is longer than expected. I'm really sorry about this, guys. But yeah, sorry, my friends are texting me as well. So let's get this off. There we go. So let's move that over and let's plug it into the power supply. Take the plastic off, which is nice Apple plastic as usual. Apple always does the best with this kind of stuff. There we go. So let's put the Apple Watch underneath, and boom. So let us start the pairing. So you pair it from here. So let's do this real fast. Alright guys, I'm gonna pair this. I'll get you guys when I'm done. Right, sorry, so we have it all set up. It was paired. So let's set it up now. Wrist preference on my left hand. So it does take a little bit of getting used to, but other than that, I mean, it's okay. So now we're just doing the initial setup. So I just want to let you guys know we did all this. So you just hit the agree, terms and conditions. Then we're going to have to set up the account and everything once that's done. So this will take a few minutes. So I'm going to wait till it's done and then I'll hit you guys. I finally got through all the process and it is finally syncing. So once it is done syncing, I will officially begin the review. But yeah, that's the unboxing and that's the syncing. Now it is taking a little longer. They are saying that the Series 4 is much faster when it comes to this setup. So maybe the Series 4 is faster in a sense. But since this is my first time ever having an Apple Watch, it probably longer than expected. So we'll see how it is. But just want to let you guys know that it is finally done setting up. It's just now syncing. And when it's done syncing, we will get ready. Well, that was a good lunch. So the Apple Watch is finally prepared. So it says, welcome to Apple Watch, My Watch, adjust the blah, 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 face gallery, the App Store. So the app is all set to go. So you can do everything you want on the watch. You can do whatever you need to, and yeah, you can add faces from here. You can do whatever you like, but I do know you have to do the updates. So I will update it to watchOS 5.0, which is really going to be annoying because I actually hate updating since I just got finished with updating. So regardless, let's take a look at the watch. You know what? Screw it. So here's the watch. So you swipe the key. That's the battery percentage. It connects to the iPhone. It's in sleep mode. I can turn it off. Notifications, everything will go on from here. You have the side button, which you can swipe out and remove. You have activities, workout, music, messages, which is nice, timer. It's nice that you have a variety here on the watch. You got maps, and then you have all apps. So here it is, and the feel of it is very nice and smooth. The animations are cool. You got messages, Apple Music, photos, navigation, stopwatch, and Siri is very responsive in Apple Watch. I think it's much smarter, so you hold it down. What is the weather like? I think she talks, but I think you gotta enable that. But overall, this Apple Watch is nice. I'm gonna update it and stuff. I'll let you guys know more about it. I'm gonna use it for a little bit, get the feel of the Apple Watch. But yeah, that's it. So that's the Apple Watch Series 3. Comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of the Apple Watch Series 3. That's it for this video. Sorry, it's not what I anticipated it to be, but it's just something to let you guys know that I'm back. I just took a few days off. And yeah, so that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, do you like the Apple Watch Series 3 or do you like Series 4? Let me know which one you prefer. Comment down below. Let me know. And subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and...